Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the invert text using the CapCut. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access this CapCut, and here I am accessing it with my Android phone. And after that you can start to upload or select your clip from your device. For example, I will choose this through my gallery, and I will choose the library over here. And for example, I will choose this animation of the fireworks, and I will click add. And after that, I will start to remove this ending first. And after that, I will start to type the first text. For example, I will type New Year. And I will also choose the thicker font style. For example, this one. And you can also adjust the size over here. And I will put it for the entire clip, or as same as the duration length of this scene 1 or this clip 1. And I will go back to this text, and you can start to adjust the shadow settings. You can find it in the style category. And after that, if you don't find it, don't worry, because you can activate this button first. And after that, you can start to adjust the shadow here. Click this, and pull this chroma until this setting is show up down here. And after that, I will adjust the opacity to become 100, and also the blur to become 0. And after that, I will apply to it. And after that, I will go back to this menu, and I will run to this background and choose the color, and I will choose the color to be the green, like this for example, and apply to it. And after that, I will start to move down this picture or this first scene down here, like this, until it's not appear anymore. Don't delete it, just scroll it down or put it down. And after that, I will start to save this New Year text in the green screen and click export, and kindly wait for the export process. And after that, you can go back to this project, and I will pull this scene back on the screen like this. And the next step will be deleting this text. Don't worry, like this. And after that, I will start to export the video or the text that we have just exported before. You can simply click the overlay like this, and I will choose this one and click add like this. While this clip being selected, I will start to go to this remove BG, and I will choose the chroma key, and I will slightly move this chroma like this, and I will adjust the intensity to become 100 and apply to it. And the next thing will be change the color or the tones for this first clip. You can select this first clip, and after that you can go to the adjust and choose the graph. And after that I will start to from this blue. You can move it like this for the all over color. And the next will be for green. Pull it with your fingers. And for the red one, and for the white too, like this. And after that you can apply to it, and you can also do the exporting process again, and kindly wait for the process. Perfect. And after that you can go back to the project again, and you can remove this layer like this. And after that I will select this scene, and we can go back to the adjustment and choose the graph, and you can reset the all over setting. Click confirm like this. And after that we can start to put the video or the text that we have just setting before. Click the overlay and upload the latest effect we have just copied before or just exporting before. And after that you can start to do the adjustment here. And I will also remove the background and keep this scene being selected. Click remove PG with chroma key. And after that you can also adjust the intensity as enough. Let's say to become 50. And after that you can play this inverted text effect. So isn't that cool, right? So don't forget to try this effect or creating this inverted text in your CapCut. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.